Got a dolphin, pretty large one up in the back creek.
Yeah, no. That's pretty cool. Yeah, I said they came up pretty good.
That Tidal Creek is probably, what, only 3-4 feet deep right now? There he is. Come on, buddy, take a breath right there. He's marked too, look at that.
3F3, huh?
And just as quick as he can, it's going to get shallow right there.
Yeah, you got to come up right there.
Dolphin be all the way up here.
Damn, that's pretty deep right there. I thought that was a lot shallower.
No, I think isn't there a dip right there under that tree?
Back to the ocean.